That's a nice one. That's a nice one, yeah.
What do you have on the 5X?
Here's a 5X.
Don't use that 6X.
I don't anymore. I lost so many fish on a 6X already. Yeah, I stopped using 6X. I got the camera on action here.
Oh, you had your GoPro?
Yeah, let's see how you...
You want me to level for you?
Yeah, that'll be good.
Just steer it down here.
Unless it comes my way. If it comes my way, I'll net it. If it comes your way, let me just bring closer to the... Yeah, no hurry.
It might be low. Just have to see what you got.
I'm gonna ask you to take a picture if you don't mind.
I don't mind at all. You'll get a bigger one, but
That's a nice one. Yeah, that's 20s, right?
I don't know.
It's pretty fat.